Good morning, YouTube. Another video from DIY homeowners. Um, so I would be installing this home and business security system from Night Owl 1080p wired HD video security with 4-channel DVR. It's a hardwired security system under $200. In fact, to be exact, I paid somewhere around $151 or $52 on Black Friday last year. And it's cheap. It does need a little bit of handyman's skills. It comes in for the 60 feet each cable for each of these camera. You can it does have the audio and video, which is good. You can also connect it to your phone. So far this is what comes in the box. You have your Ethernet, your HDMI. This is one TB, 1 terabyte, so it can hold good amount of video footage, and then it overrides it. So if it is full, it would erase the old one on its own and it will keep recording. But it just have like 4 cameras though, 4 channels, 1 2 3 4, and this is for audio. And the instruction tells me that I'll need a monitor for the first time to install it, because you have to create online account and stuff like that. So they give you a mouse, HDMI cable. This plugs it. This is a charger that plugs into the terabyte, and then you get 4 cameras. So let's see how the cameras look like. There you go. Sorry about all that. So this is the camera. You can see. You can just mount it. You get 4 of these. I'm gonna work on that. So far I have fished through the cable that came in with that. This is where I would install. I'm also working on a customized wood table that would connect those 4 lines connected to this DVR system. I would sit right here, right next to my firewall, and then that's my TV. So eventually I'll connect it to my TV up there on my fireplace. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You just have to find where you first locate where you want it. Fish all the 4 cables. I am going to install it here, and then they are going to sit on my garage, 4 corners of my garage, 2 front and 2 at the back. So let me walk you guys to my attic area. Don't mind the mess. Alright, so this is my garage. And we're gonna go on top. Okay, there you go. This ladder, I might have to replace this ladder eventually, but it's good for now. Let's turn the lights on. Alright, so we are walking into my attic area above my garage, 2-car garage. And yeah, I was working yesterday, so I had my mask here. Definitely you need a mask, your eyeglasses, and your headlamp, and some drilling tools. Anyways, so when you are in your attic, either here above your garage or above your home, be very careful where you put your footing. Anyways, so there you have it. So I fished through here all my 4 cable. Okay, now this is a very good tool. I picked this up from Home Depot myself for this project and some other project that I'm doing. It's a steel 25 clean 25 steel fish tape from Home Depot. It's really handy. It's very sturdy. It does the job for homeowners. I mean, it's 25 feet, so that's what mostly you would need as a homeowner, unless you are you're running some good length wire. Anyways, coming back to my installation. So my wife tells me that she wants 2 at the front. Where is my light? My lamp? Right here. So I can point it out to you guys. So one would be in that corner, the front of the garage. The other one right there. Yeah, if you can see. That is the front door. So I'll have to fish through right there and then install it. And then let's turn camera view to the back, and then one would be in that corner right there where you see the light, and then we'll install the other one on the other corner, the last corner. So it would give me a coverage of entire backyard and the front for now, and then eventually I'll buy another system with another 4 security cameras and then install it on the second story, which is the other side of the house, like up there. Anyway, so the tools that you would need, basically any drilling tool. I made a small hole first, fished through my fish tape, and see there was no obstacle. It was not getting stuck anywhere. Once I knew that I had a clear way from bottom to top or top to bottom, I just went through with what is that? Now 1 inch. 1 inch is too big, and then this is for my initial hole. So 3/4. 1 inch is too big. 3/4 is a little smaller. So the best size that I could, from my experience, I would recommend is this. I think it's right here, 7/8. That's plenty. 7/8. Yeah, that's plenty for 4 wires to come through using this tool, fish tape. Okay, then I'll just run them. Eventually I do want to finish this attic area and then use it as storage. So that's somewhere in the future. Okay, once it's all set up, I'll keep you guys posted.